maybe a neon-y, greeny, something to match that. Hi everybody, so I'm doing a video where Spotify picks my makeup. Basically what we have to do, I'm going to show you guys with my phone somewhere next to me. I'm going to be hitting shuffle, and then whatever like colors are on the cover or anything to do with the song, if there's any colors in the song titles, then I will be doing my makeup based off of those colors. Yeah, we'll just get right into this. Okay, so I have my base down and everything, which is the e.l.f. camo concealer, and then I did my brows and everything. So basically what I'm going to be doing is opening up Spotify, got my phone, and we're just gonna see how this goes. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my songs, and don't judge me on any songs that I have in here. I'm sorry. Basically, I have all of my palettes out in front of me. First song is White Iverson by Post Malone. So this might be harder than I thought. I don't really know what colors we could use from this. I guess I'm feeling the like background, I guess. Yeah, I could feel. Yeah, I like the orangey background. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Alert. We're going to be putting that in like the transition shade. Okay, moving on to the next color. Okay, second song is Empty by Olivia O'Brien. A lot of white and grays, so I guess I could go in with my LA palette Nude 2. Cause I've got a ton of grays in this, so we're just gonna go right into the outer corner with one of these gray shades. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here because it's the most gray looking one. Next song. My playlist for some reason is very old right now, but the next song is Don't Let Me Down by the Chainsmokers. There's a lot of color in the background, and honestly, you can go with any color that you want. Might whip out the red. I don't know, I'm feeling more warmy tones because there's a lot of orange in there. So I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, just to deepen up the crease a little bit. Okay, so I got 7 Rings by Ariana Grande, so this is finally more recent music. There's just a lot of purple and then a bright yellow. I'm thinking some yellow, maybe. The bright neon-y, kind of greeny yellow in like, I'll do a cut crease, that's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna cut the crease real quick and then go from there. Back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and kind of mix these 3 together just to kind of get maybe a neon-y, greeny, something to match that. Okay, the eyes are looking a little crazy right now, but we're gonna keep working, we're gonna keep moving. Okay, next song is Low by Flo Rida. I don't know. He's got a lot of he's got some bling on in there. I kind of want to add some sparkle to this, so we could do that. We can add some sparkle to it. We're gonna go in with my Stila and Embellish, the liquid eyeshadow. Try and go and we'll see what the next song is, and then if it's a dud, then we'll call this good. Okay. You May Be Right by Billy Joel. Glass Houses. Let's do a really bright inner corner highlight. I'm going to take my Colourpop and Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek because that is the brightest possible thing I can think of at this point. Yeah, that is all of the songs for right now that picked our makeup. So this is the eyes currently. I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face makeup and I will see you in a second. Okay, so this is the rest of the look. I don't think it turned out horrible, considering that Spotify had picked it and everything. Maybe some of the song covers were a stretch, but yeah, I'm gonna put my Instagram, my Twitter, somewhere on the screen. Should pop up, and you guys can give that a follow if you like. Also, I'm going to be leaving any of the products that I used on the rest of my face and everything, and even the eyeshadow palettes and the colors down in the description box below in case you guys want to check those out, because I didn't show the rest of my face, and if you guys are curious about what else I'm wearing. So, hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.